Storm Team 29 forecast.
Well, you may have seen a little bit of sun early this morning. It was kind of peekaboo, and that was it. The clouds filled back in. Warren Fault captured that shot this morning as the sun was peeking up over the Blue Ridge, but we've been socked in with clouds pretty much all day. 71 is the current reading at the airport in Earlysville. Made it up to 75 today. A light northeasterly wind, certainly comfortable, but below average temperatures, and it gets even cooler ahead. 66 is the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 68 for a high this afternoon. We've got 67 there in Madison, 68 in Palmyra, same there in Louisa, 66 currently in Livingston, and 66 currently in Waynesboro. Well, just recapping the weekend, of course, late Friday night into Saturday, dealing with some beneficial rain from Tropical Storm Ophelia. Many locations between 1 and 3 inches, some locally higher amounts along the Blue Ridge and points off to the east. There's just a snapshot of some of the welcomed rainfall. Some of the wind gusts easily in that 20 to 40 mile per hour category, with the higher elevation certainly seeing the strongest winds. Wintergreen had a 55 mile per hour gust on Saturday. Lots of clouds streaming in across the Commonwealth and the Mid-Atlantic. We'll look under the clouds and not a whole lot to see. Now, could there be some drizzle developing here late tonight? Yes. There could be a passing shower, some drizzle tomorrow, but even though we have lots of clouds, it's really not a whole lot of rain over the next several days. So temperatures overnight, upper 50s to around 60 east of the Blue Ridge, some middle to upper 50s in the Shenandoah Valley, and even cooler for Tuesday. We're only going to see highs in the lower 60s. So yeah, this is more like late October and not late September as we go into not only Tuesday, Wednesday as well. Temperatures will start to edge up a little more by the end of the week, but still below average for this time of year. Our average daytime highs in the upper 70s, but minimal rain chances, even though the clouds will provide more bark than bite, if you will. Well, what was Ophelia is now just a remnant low, ghost of its former self, still bringing in some rain across Long Island, up into New England, and basically the counterclockwise flow around that low and high pressure farther to the north are going to create more of that onshore flow of wind here in the next several days. So that's going to keep us with cloudy skies, going to hold the temperature down, and again, may bring some limited rain chances over the next several days. You can see some of those cooler numbers here across the Mid-Atlantic, the Northeast, and up into New England. Well, what's the next storm out there? Well, this is Tropical Storm Philip, and right now just over 1,000 miles to the east of the Windward Islands. We'll have to keep an eye on this, but some weak steering currents will drive it west with time, and there's still some disturbed weather coming off the African continent. Of course, the hurricane season runs till the end of November. So here we are as we venture into tonight. Lots of clouds. There may be some drizzle or passing shower, 50s and 60s tomorrow morning, but only in the low and mid 60s for daytime highs. So yeah, not a pleasant day, but we'll hold on to temperatures like this not only for Tuesday, Wednesday as well. There may be a limited break of sun, but not much. As we take a look at tonight then, mid-50s to around 60, some patchy fog, a little bit of drizzle. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. So overall, a cloudy, cool week. As we look toward the weekend, this pattern should begin to break up, and we'll start to see some brighter skies making a return.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. And remember, you can